Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong magagandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, i-share ko lang ito ang tungkol dito sa ating napakagandang men's watch guys na mayroong brand na Orient Automatic Sapphire 100 meter crystal markers men's watch na napakaganda guys. Share ko lang ang tungkol dito guys, galing ito sa ating WWCity Watches at mayroon siyang description ito guys, ang Orient Automatic Sapphire natin guys na 100 meter na crystal markers at mayroon siyang code number na FEVOG 002 WY men's watch as tuning watch that is guaranteed to work well quality through the years without any serious problem or without any sort of serious maintenance. It has good power reserve and winds very efficiently often putting the higher price Swiss varieties and shame. Its appearance speaks of its vintage influences. Its shape is very comfortable, one that sits well on just any wrist slim, moderate or considerably wide. So napakaganda guys, napakagandang history tungkol dito sa napaka valuable natin na Orient watch na napakataas ang kanyang bentahan dito sa ating WW.watch or City Watches displayed na mayroong halaga guys na nakadisplay sa ating City Watches display for 11,039 euros. So ito yun guys, ang napakagandang relo natin guys. So kung maghanap kayo guys ng napakagandang relo guys na mumurahin lang, so punta lang kayo doon sa aking showcase account guys, dahil makikita nyo rin doon ang kamukha nito na mga relo na napaka-affordable talaga guys at napakaganda gamitin pa. So ito guys, napakatagal na ito guys. Ito ay tinatawag na vintage na relo ng Orient. So abot kaya rin ito guys sa ang ating presyohan ito dahil umabot ng 11,039 euros. So pwede mo rin ding i-convert na lang dito sa ating pera ngayon dito sa Pilipinas guys. And also from the City Watches information with the Orient brand model FEVOG 002WY automatic movement and also has a power reserve with a case size of 37mm and also their thickness 11mm with the case materials of stainless steel with screw down crown on and also has a round shape. So ito yung ating napakagandang Orient watch guys. At ang kanyang dial type analog and dial color is white crystal sapphire. Dial markers, dotted markers. Water resistance ito guys at 100 meter and with the calendar day and date display and hair function day and date, hours and minute and seconds. Features analog displays crystal hours markers, day and date display, 100 meter water resistance, and the band also type is bracelet. So the material is stainless steel, band wide with band length is 240mm and the band width is 20mm. Claps, deployment claps, addition styles is dress in the international ID FEVOG 002WY product of category is watches. So napakagandang relo natin guys na pwede mong makita doon sa ating City Watches for men and women. na mayroong maraming nakadisplay doon guys sa ating WW City Watches, displayed for only 12,039 euros. So napaka taas pala ang bintahan nito guys sa ating City Watches guys, ang ating Orient Watch na ito guys. So kung gusto nyong bumili guys ng ganitong mga itsura guys, mayroon din tayo dito sa aking showcase account dito sa TikTok, na makakabili ka ng mga ganitong itsura ng mga relo guys, na pwede mong pang araw-arawin sa paggamit, na napakaganda ang kanyang kondisyon. Dahil ito guys, napakatagalan ito guys, kaya tinatawag na vintage na Orient Watch 100 meter. So yun guys, maraming salamat sa panonood guys, at God bless sa ating lahat.